got to be a quarter there. Another nice quarter. Got a good solid 13 here. I thought I saw it in there, but solid 13. Probably should be a dime. Well, looks like we got a hip. Got an old penny. And yeah, it's not a wheat. But it's a good looking penny. 2021. We'll dig it. Probably a penny. It's really been growing here a long time, you know. Oh, there it is. Nice little shiny one too. Oops. What happened? Oh, there it is. Yep, nice little shiny one. Penny. Might be something else with it here. That's some different mixed number. 122 here. Oh. Probably a penny for sure. There it is. Nice little shiny penny. It's like penny. Dig it. There it is. Yay! I really flipped it out. Finally found it. Had my hand on it as soon as I dug, and I covered it. This is just right next to where I dug. That could be a dime. Okay, we got some more digging to do here. There it is. Yep. Got us a dime on this one. Right next to that penny. Could be a quarter. For sure. And I'm about 2 feet away from where I just dug that dime. It's in that deep grass. Gotta get down on both knees on this one here. I've been doing more. There it is. Yep. Got us a quarter out of this one. A couple feet from where the dime and the penny came up. Okay, it kind of started out a little slow today. Went around by that pavilion over there, under those oak trees, right over here to these benches. Then coming across right here in this, next to that little, I can't see it. There's a little, yeah, right over there. little pine tree there. Picked up a dime and a penny and a quarter all within 2 feet of each other. So that made my day. So this is what I ended up with. So I picked this up off the ground, dug that. Don't know what the dime is. This is an Eagleback quarter. I can't make out the date on it. And then the 4 pennies. I believe that's a 1963 penny. So all in all, pretty good day. Well, thanks for coming along. Got an hour and a half here today. So we'll see you next trip.